Hi, DataArchiva is a complete, affordable native application to archive unused or less used Salesforce data effortlessly. It not only saves more than 80% of data storage cost, but also improves your application performance too. You can now secure your data inside Salesforce platform using Big Object and allow compliance team to search any data at any time. The best thing about DataArchiva is that it requires zero or low maintenance. It needs no external storage or infrastructure. With a lot of your data storage getting archived, you can now experience improved application performance. The application is easy to set up and configure, so it should not take more than 10 minutes for you to get started. We are now going to demonstrate how DataArchiva can be a strategic solution in saving huge cost for your organization. This demonstration will highlight key features of DataArchiva and showcases how simple and effective this application is. So let's get started and see how DataArchiva looks like. DataArchiva looks stunning with tabs such as Dashboard, Setup, and Find. Dashboard gives us a gist of how much data got archived and how much data has been saved. When I move the cursor over the diagram here, it shows me a consolidated data of how much records that got archived, which is a pretty cool thing to have. You can also get this report generated month-wise, quarter-wise, and year-wise too. Let me now show you how to archive data. For this, I need to set up an object first. You can see here there is a list of objects that have been set up for archiving. So let me click on New and let me select an object. Let me now select few indexed fields and let me click on Next. It took me to filter criteria, which is a point where I can choose to archive all the records or put a criteria and have only those records archived. Now, if you want to archive all the records, then you simply enable this and let's click on Next. Now it takes me to Schedule Archive, which allows me to schedule my archive. Now, if you want your archive to run on the first Friday of every month, then this is what you do. These are the options that you select. You give a particular, you give a preferred start date, end date, a particular preferred start time, and you click on Next. But if you do not want to schedule this archive, so you simply disable this. So when you click on Next, it gives you a summary and a synopsis of total records found and the total attachments found. You have now successfully set up an object. You can see a new tab here, which is Find. This will help your compliance team or audit team to search some data to validate. Let me select an object and it takes me to filter criteria, and you can enter your filter criteria here. When I click on Fetch, it will fetch me the results. So these are the records which got archived, and you can either download this data in a CSV format or you can also view it here. So when I click on this, it will show me the details of the record, and it will also show me the attachments and also the history tracking of these records. This application can integrate with your custom objects and applications. DataArchiva has many more exciting features in it, and I will be back with some more cool features of DataArchiva. So watch this space for more. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.